I am unboxing an MQ Genuine Parts Filter Kit for the MQ Whiteman STX6H ride-on power trowel. Each part in this box should be replaced every 400 hours of operation on your STX. The first item in the box is the breather filter, which helps keep contaminants from entering the engine. Next, we have the engine oil filter and the pre-fuel filter, sometimes referred to as a separator, which does some preliminary work for the next item, the primary fuel filter. On the front of your trowel, you'll see two filter housings. These housings hold the hydrostatic pressure filters included in the kit, one medium pressure filter and one high pressure filter. If you're looking at the STX head-on, the medium pressure filter goes on the left-hand side and the high pressure filter goes on the right-hand side. Lastly, we have this large cylinder, which is your primary air filter. You can easily swap this out of the air cleaner box located near the bottom of the engine. MQ Genuine Parts filter kits make maintaining your machine easier by including the necessary parts to deliver the consistent and reliable performance you've come to expect from Multiquip.